Hi guys, you're with me, the Lego boy Veer. What's that? Do you hear a sound? Is that a creature? Is it an insect or an animal? I maybe think it's an insect. Let's see, what is this? It's a frog. This is a frog which we're making today, but now I'm going to show you how it looks. Now let's see how to make it. It's very simple to build the frog. Now let's see the pieces which we need. They are pieces to join the hands, and their pieces to join to their bodies, mouth, and their tails. And this is a base, and this is a top. This is a sliding green piece, and this is an 8-pin piece, and this is a sliding piece which has one dot, and this is a 2-pin piece, and this is a 4-pin piece which is down sliding, and this is the same. This is a joiner to connect the eyes, and these are the eyes. Let's start with the body. We need these pieces to make the body. And first, we have to join this over here and this over here. And next, we need these pieces so that we can use it to connect the hands. And this is next, take the 2-pin slider. Next, we need these 2 pieces to keep it over here. And next, we need these pieces so that we can use the piece for the hands. Next, take a 6-pin and place it at the top. And now we need these pieces to put the eye. And now we are going to put the eyes on the sides. And next, we need this piece for the mouth. Next is this piece for the tail. And now the frog is done. And here comes the frog. Crack, 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 crack. Thank you for watching my video. You guys can subscribe to my channel so that you guys can do more simple Legos with me. Bye bye. See you on the next one.